Greetings, health enthusiasts, and welcome to another enlightening episode on VitalGlow Life. We're here to shed light on the wisdom of Ayurveda, a holistic science of health. Today's focus is on the magic of soaked dry fruits. Imagine a simple act of soaking fruits overnight, transforming them into a powerhouse of nutrients. Fascinating, isn't it? Well, Ayurveda has championed these practices for centuries. Dive in with us as we explore the health benefits of soaked dry fruits, a secret treasure trove of Ayurveda. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian medical system, emphasizes the importance of soaked dry fruits for maintaining optimal health. This millennia-old tradition believes in the potency of these tiny wonders, hailing them as powerhouses of nutrients. Imagine this: almonds, walnuts, raisins, all brimming with nutritional goodness, waiting to nourish your body. But how do we unlock this treasure trove of health benefits? The Ayurvedic secret lies in soaking these dry fruits. Soaking is more than just a preparation method, it's a process of transformation. When submerged in water, these dry fruits undergo a metamorphosis. The water softens their hard exterior, breaking down the compounds that inhibit nutrient absorption. This breakdown allows our bodies to digest these fruits more easily, making their nutrients more accessible to us. Take almonds, for example. They are packed with proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. When soaked overnight, the brown peel containing tannin, which can inhibit nutrient absorption, is easily removed. This reveals the nutrient-rich almond ready to be absorbed by your body. Walnuts too, when soaked, shed their slightly bitter taste, revealing a softer, more palatable nut. Soaked raisins, on the other hand, become plump and juicy, making them a delicious and healthy snack. The process of soaking unlocks the full potential of these nutrient powerhouses, making them the perfect addition to your daily diet. Now let's delve into the myriad health benefits of these soaked dry fruits. First up, we have almonds. When soaked, these crunchy delights become powerhouses of nutrition that can significantly enhance brain function. They're rich in essential fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them an excellent food for the brain. In Ayurveda, almonds are revered for their sattvic quality, which promotes clarity of mind and balanced emotions. Next, let's turn to walnuts. When soaked, walnuts shed their slight bitterness and offer a heart-friendly snack. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce the risk of heart diseases. In the Ayurvedic perspective, walnuts are believed to support the heart and help maintain its robust health. Moving on to raisins, a sweet treat that when soaked can improve digestion. Raisins are packed with fiber, aiding in the smooth functioning of the digestive system. Ayurveda recognizes raisins as a tridoshic food beneficial for balancing all three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, thereby promoting overall digestive health. Finally, there's the humble fig. Soaked figs are a treasure trove of minerals and antioxidants. They help in regulating blood sugar levels and strengthening bones. Ayurveda lauds figs for their ability to nourish the body and maintain overall vitality. Incorporating these soaked dry fruits into your diet can provide a significant boost to your health and well-being, just as Ayurveda recommends. So, we see how soaked dry fruits, a simple yet potent dietary addition, can offer a wealth of health benefits. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and soaking them enhances their nutritional value, making them even more beneficial. Incorporating soaked dry fruits into your diet is a great step towards improved health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this healthful journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing.